Hello and welcome to Graphic. This is me Fazilat Ali Ahmed, and today's tutorial we will learn to add dual light effect using Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. Unlock the layer by clicking the lock icon. Add the gradient map. Click on the gradient. From here double click and choose the color black. Same on right side and choose blue color. Add another gradient map. Click on the gradient. From here double click and choose the color black. Same for the right side. Choose purple color. Rename the layer as purple and blue. Grab the brush tool. Select purple gradient map layer. Lower the flow and brush it over right side. Double click on the right side of purple gradient map. Move this under layer slider, Alt and drag it to break it. Drag open the image overlay and resize it. Set its blending mode to screen. Hide this layer to select the subject. We need to do a little adjustment to select it. Go to Image, Adjustments and Level. Adjust it. Select the Quick Selection tool. Select the subject. Unhide the layers. Now go to Overlay layer and create a mask. Invert it. Choose the brush tool. Brush it over the overlay while keeping the foreground color white. Adjust the layer 0. Select Image, Adjustment, Curve, adjust it and hit OK. Make a copy of purple gradient map using Ctrl-J shortcut. Right click and clear layer style. Right click on the mask and delete it. Create new mask. Right click and create clipping mask. Invert the mask using Ctrl-I. Select the brush tool and brush it on right side to reveal the purple shade. Make a copy of blue gradient map and place it under the purple copy layer. We're done with creating the dual light effect using Adobe Photoshop. That's all for today. Hope you like it and learn from it too. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any queries, feel free to contact either on Instagram, Facebook, or you can also comment here. I will catch you in the next video. Happy learning!